We're now going to complete the add, sub, mul, and div arrays functions. So let's go over here to VS Code and see what we're going to do. So this time, our function is going to receive two arrays as inputs, and it will do that element by element operation. So if it's addition, it'll just add the first two elements, like 5 plus 2, get 7. Add the second two, 10 plus -5 is 5, and so forth. So you can see how the zip function can be very valuable here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually use a list comprehension. So I'm going to immediately go into a return, start my list, and I'm going to say, so for val1 comma val2 in zip array1 comma array2. So I'm going to zip these together, the arrays that I'm getting, like a zipper, so that 5 and 2 are together, then 10 and -5 are together. So that's the for loop part. I need to have the operation over here. So val1 plus val2 for addition. So those are the two loop variables. I get access to each one of them. And then that'll be the new value in the new list that's returned. Okay, let's see if this works and see if the failures go down. So now I'm down to 4. That looks great. And now I can just copy and paste this for the other ones, the sub arrays. I can subtract over here. The mul arrays I will multiply, and the div arrays I will divide. Okay, let's see if we get all of these tests correct. So now I'm down to 1, which looks good. There's only one more function here, so I've passed all of those tests. That looks great. Let's go back over here and see if I can use them. So let's take our arrays from up here. Let's make sure we can look at them. And my array dot, let's see here, add arrays. I can do array1 comma array2. I executed this. Now nothing has happened over here, so this is a little strange. And let me execute it again, and okay, nothing is happening. Well, so what happens is when you start a Jupyter notebook, it will sort of already preload the module in, even though if you haven't imported it, or sorry, we've already imported it once. When we imported it, the pass statement was already here. So it's using, it sort of has already read it in as the old function. So so that's what's happening. It's returning none over here. It's not using the new code. So it has not reloaded the module. That's what it's called. Python has not reloaded this. Now there's a way to do it in Jupyter Notebook, but for now I just want to show you the simplest way is to restart the kernel. So if you go over here, kernel restart and clear output, that'll clear everything. And now once we import it again, so this will be the first cell that's executed. And it's like you're just restarting the notebook from scratch. It doesn't remember any of the old variable names. It has cleared them out. So now when we import my array, it's importing this new version, and now this should work and return the arrays added together. Okay, so that's how you can do, maybe we should do one more. Let's go ahead and divide the arrays. So we will get some floats over here. That's what we get when we divide the two arrays. Okay, cool. So our module is coming together. We can add a constant to our arrays, and we can add an array to another array.